today you're going to join us for day in the life. We're currently in Dubai Hills Mall. As the last vlog, I have the same people with me. I have Sirine with me. And Jacinta. Sirine is gonna do a taste test for us. Okay, from 1 to 10.
I would say 7.
It's a good 7 or a bad 7?
No, it's a good 7 because I tasted better, but this one is good actually.
Santa, she got the same thing but with oat milk. حطيتي with oat milk, okay. 6.5. I got a matcha too, but pistachio matcha. They don't make it here, but they offered they actually offered to make it, which is so nice of them. If I like the matcha, this place will add to my favorite spots, and I'll come back here more often because I didn't. عادي أحكي.
بس الماتشا تبعهم صح مظبوط يعني مش
it's nice.
not sugar.
Yeah, true.
It's authentic matcha.
It's not very strong, but it's not like you don't taste matcha.
I never find pistachio matcha anywhere, and the fact that they offer to make it is so nice. So we'll wait for it and we do a taste test.
على أساس إنه هو قاعد يحكي على أساس إنه هو قاعد يحكي مع
My matcha is here.
فهمت خلو هو مصري خلو يا إنسان هتفهم إمتى إن أنا مش المفروض تاكلني مع حلويات. أنا مش شوية شاي ولا لبن، أنا ماتشا المفروض I'm healthy، المفروض I'm detoxing، بس أنا ما أقدرش أعمل لك detoxing وأنت بتبعت لي برجر بتبعت لي كيكة.
funny.
Try.
Nice.
I love it. I love it. I tried before the strawberry matcha.
It's good لأنه I tried it in Costa. I didn't like it.
I didn't even know they have pistachio matcha.
Costa.
Carrot cake.
It's so nice. وبالحق تحس فيه البيستاشيو موجود.
Pistachio is
سراغ بتلقى حاجة هكا.
If you ever go Sydney, Bondi Beach, my favorite coffee shop غادي Spiro's Cafe. عندهم the best pistachio matcha. حاجة روعة. This is so good.
Let's do this.
This is an 8 on 10. Guys, follow her TikTok. I'll mention her TikTok here. You can check it out. She's a cabin crew with us, so you will love her content.
Follow me.
Life has its black notes. Total fucking shit show.
Me, where's the wonder?
We just finished the movie and here's our thoughts. Let's start.
I cried.
She's an emotional girl.
No, especially because the first movies the first and second, I guess it was 2 or 3. It's like my childhood and everything.
that's
So for me,
nice.
like after 30 years making this movie, it's like it was on point. And it didn't disappoint. And compared to the other ones,
Yeah.
it was amazing. That's why I like it.
I never watched the previous movies.
Yeah.
I love it. It gave me goosebumps throughout the movie, and the meaning was nice. Like there is someone for you at every time. You don't need to push anything to happen. It will happen in the right time with the right people, and it's fine. It's fine to have fun along the way. What do you think, Jessica?
أنا I loved it كتير حلو هيك emotional وهيك تحسي true
English.
I forgot it's only English. I loved it. It was very nice. I loved it. Everything like it was very emotional.
Yeah.
It touched you.
And
Like,
also
you feel
very
like-
important point, like it shows you how much the women struggle.
True.
Yeah.
Whether
Yeah.
they have kids, whether they're
It's
single,
like-
whether
in any
life
stage
is,
in life, yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly, life is never easy for women.
It's like they put them in a stage and they give them options to choose from. You cannot have everything all at the same time.
You always have to sacrifice something.
Yeah.
for someone.
And even when you sacrifice, you never please anyone.
Yeah.
So by the end, you can have a messy life or a
Yeah,
good
especially
life
like
still.
how her kid he got isolated when she got a
Yeah.
boyfriend while
And she
for
didn't
4
belong
years.
to the group of mommy.
Yeah. And for 4 years she didn't date and she stayed. So yeah. Yalla guys, I'll see you later. I came home, I made dinner and I just finished. And I was trying to film for you in Sephora, but they said no camera are allowed. We were looking for lip pencils, and Sirine actually she was looking for lip pencils, and we didn't find our choice there anyway, so we headed to MAC. And of course MAC, they have one of the best lip pencils, so she got from there. And what else? Yeah, I came home and I filmed for you a video of how to create your CV for Emirates, bypass the automatic robot, and to get your invitation for the assessment day. And I included in the video the pictures, how you should take them, and the grooming, how you should do it when you apply. And yeah, and some more details on how to apply. So if you want to watch the video, I'll put it here at the end of this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.